i35equipment.com. Today we're in a Caterpillar 420F backhoe loader. These are really nice, well-built backhoe loader machines, and we're going to be showing you how to change your pattern control between what we consider backhoe and excavator, and backhoe. So we've already got the machine running and ready to operate. What you're going to do is just pull this handle. If you're needing to move your joysticks closer to you or further away, we'll get them back here so we're ready to operate. And the operating position, this is what they call joystick control. Some people call them pilot controls, but joystick is the way that we refer to them around here. This is your pattern control switch right here, 1 or 2, backhoe or excavator, excavator up, backhoe down. What you're going to do is just make your selection really easy to use. If you do 1, the right stick is going to be both your curl of the bucket and then your stick up, or your boom up and down, and then your left handle is going to be your articulation left and right, and then the stick up and down. And a quick flip of the switch right here is going to change that to where your stick and boom actually are what change. So now forward and back on the right joystick, make the stick up and down. You're still going to have curl with your left and right, and then on this handle you're still going to have articulation left and right, but it's going to make the boom up and down. Do you hope that video is beneficial to you? If your sticker legend is missing for some reason, then this is what your legend is going to be. Do you hope that video is beneficial to you? If you have any questions, give us a shout. Always consult your operator's manual, and please use safety and common sense. If you're in the market for used equipment, you can always share a full up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy machinery on the website i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.